Welcome everyone to our Tailwind CSS course, which is made especially for beginners. So we say why Tailwind CSS? Actually, when we go back to our project, design and styling them can be really tricky and hard to maintain, and very impossible to clean up when you are on big projects and with bigger teams involving a lot of developers. And then you'll say, okay, just CSS, it's just easy. I will say, yes, CSS is so easy, and people can feel so comfortable just going and adding their own code without debugging and seeing if there are existing ones, they can extend it or not. Your project can just easily blow up, and you'll end up with huge CSS files, and most of the code is not usable at all. Or sometimes even you have duplication without even being aware of it. So this can blow up, of course, your application performance. So in this course, we'll see why Tailwind CSS is different than other solutions. Also, we'll see how we can style in the utilities classes built in, how we can integrate Tailwind CSS with popular single app applications, libraries, and frameworks. And also, in the end, you want to be able not just to use built-in classes of Tailwind, but build your own theme using Tailwind CSS. So, of course, we'll not be going just through the slides. We'll be going building an application using React as a base, but will be standard React application using Create React App just to start with and start working with CSS. So keep in mind whatever you learn in this course is applicable to any front-end application, either normal JavaScript jQuery application or Vue or React or Next.js or anything which is in front end. This same learning applies to everything. Okay, so by the end of this course, you'll be very comfortable, very efficiently using Tailwind CSS utilities classes, and you'll be able to easily build your own theme and integrate it with your own application. So let's get started and let's jump in our course.